Poco, or Pocophone if you're from another part of the world. Xiaomi's new sub-brand has its first phone out now. It's called the F1, and in today's video, let's unbox it, take a look, and give not one, not two, but 3 units away. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech. If you do end up liking this video, subscribe and turn on notifications please. Let's now get started. For the first time, I got a mystery box from a brand. So this is the C4E Tech first. That's not happened for me before. We've always gotten regulation boxes. Anyway, opening it up, we've got the POCO F1 box, some branding, and it looks cool. Opening up the POCO box now, the yellow for some reason makes me think of the Galaxy Note 9. I don't know why. Samsung's got a lot of, they've taken over yellow now after what they did with the Note 9, I guess. Anyway, let me know if you feel the same way in the comments below. Inside, we've got a couple of booklets, a soft case. Now, the POCO F1 itself, let's peel that plastic off the display. This is the A256 armored variant. So the back you're seeing is Kevlar, which POCO claims is more expensive than glass. The case fits snug. Then there is a Type-C cable, a quick charge 3.0 adapter. Glad to see that included in the box this time. Now coming back to the POCO F1, let's address the elephant in the room. The plastic back. Now I've had a long discussion with Jay Money, who heads product development for POCO. You'll also end up seeing what I talked to him about, on Ash Answers this Sunday. But this is what I got from it. They went with plastic to keep costs low. He says we'd be super surprised with the pricing. Now, me personally, I'll be really annoyed if this phone launches at 25,000 rupees for the base variant, as that's the Mi 8's price in China. However, if they do end up launching it around 2021, then maybe plastic can be okay. What do you think? By the time you're watching this video, we'll all know the pricing. So, what do you think about it? Are you pissed with the price? Is it okay? Let me know in the comments below. Now, anyway, with that said, let's move on. Let's check out placements. We have the power and volume buttons to the right, the headphone jacks up top, a hybrid tray to the left. Nice to see POCO not going the Xiaomi route and omitting these two. And to the bottom, we have the primary mic, speaker, and a USB Type-C port. To the front, on top, POCO's giving us another thing we really wanted, that notch. Okay, no, the notch is not what we wanted. It's the earpiece in the notch, that's what I'm talking about. It doubles as a stereo speaker. The audio output sounds quite loud, my initial impressions at least. Talking about audio, POCO is also offering carrier aggregation or 4G Plus support here. Anyway, coming back to the notch, this has been lifted right out of the Mi 8. So we get the same 20 megapixel f2 lens here. The IR sensor is also there for better face detection. In my time with it, it worked very well even under low light. And for you notch haters, POCO's got an option to hide it. Now the display itself is a 5.99-inch panel with a Full HD Plus resolution. The aspect ratio is 18.7 by 9. But the deck here is IPS LCD instead of AMOLED on the Mi 8. That said, the panel itself seems bright and the viewing angles are good, the colors are rich, no complaints. For an IPS panel, it's quite good. POCO's even providing Gorilla Glass 3 for protection. To the back, we've got dual cameras and a fingerprint scanner. Now this is the armored edition, like I said, so the back's Kevlar. If you do hate plastic, then you should just pick this one up instead. POCO said that even this version is going to be very competitively priced. So given that it's $256, if POCO ends up pricing it below the 30K mark, then color me impressed. The build feels good. The phone's 8.9mm thick, the weight's 187 grams. The plastic editions are a tad slimmer and lighter. This feels good in hand. By the way, Xiaomi also stated they've added a nano coating similar to what Moto's done in the past to make this phone handle splashes and rain better. Now underneath the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 845 running the show, so performance should be great. Do know that there's liquid cooling to sustain peak performance for a longer period of time, and there are 3 RAM storage variants in the form of 664, 6128 and a whopping 8256. And there are also 3 color options apart from the armored edition. The battery capacity is 4000 mAh, finally, thank you. On the software side of things, it's different. Finally, I get to say something different about a phone that's running MIUI. The launcher, at least that's different. We now get an app drawer, swipe, and the apps are sorted by category. If you want, you can hide some of the categories. Now, this is MIUI 9.6 built on top of Android Oreo. So this should get updated to MIUI 10 on top of Oreo later, and then eventually Android P. The launcher is what's basically different here on the POCO F1. It's something POCO says will end up on the Play Store, and anyone with a Xiaomi phone should be able to utilize it to the full extent. So if you are someone using a Xiaomi phone and hate the fact that there is no app drawer, well, there are a lot of third-party solutions, but this is a first-party solution, so maybe that's good news. There are also some extra apps preloaded, but it's MIUI, so you can uninstall them easily in batches. Gesture control has also made its way over. With the camera, AI is the buzzword. It's the same MIUI camera we've seen a lot. The cameras here are partially from the Mi 8. The primary sensor is the same IMX363 with dual pixel autofocus, but here it's paired with a f1.9 lens and there is no optical image stabilization as on the Mi 8. The secondary camera is a 5 megapixel depth sensing unit. The images you're seeing here were shot with the POCO F1's cameras. So how do you think they turned out? Let me know in the comments below. So I guess that's it for the unboxing part of this video. Let's now move on to our giveaway. As always, it's very simple. You just need to click the link in the description below. It will take you to this page. Ensure that you are subscribed to C4E Tech, and that's pretty much it. If you want to improve your chances, then there are a few other self-explanatory options. Now this giveaway runs from today till the 21st of next month. The winner will be announced by the 23rd of September via Twitter and a YouTube community post. So if you do happen to miss it, you can click on the same link you used to enter to check out the winning entry, or rather entries, because we're giving away 3 phones. Now this is an international giveaway, so no matter where you're located, you can enter. It's just our little way of thanking you guys for being you and all the support that you've given us. So thank you and good luck. And now it's time I bid you adieu. If you hated this video, you know what to do. But if you did like the aggressive price of the F1 and you like giveaways, you want to see more giveaways, go ahead, show your support, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. So thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.